all your love, or 'cause I want you.
Well, today's kind of a relaxed day. I've been editing videos all morning, and now Mom's bringing over the dog stroller. It's got a flat tire. I gotta figure out what's going on with it. My mom has a stroller for her dog because her dog is really old and can't really get around anymore. So she walks it in a stroller so it can still enjoy the outdoors and get around. So I'm just gonna wait for her to come over and have a look at it. It's okay, Olivia. Okay. Get a bum shot. Oh, Olivia. Oh, good. Just a bull in a china shop. What do you see out there? What do you see? There's nothing. Just the man. Just the neighbors. Okay. Back. Sit. Sit. Good girl.
Hey, buddy.
Alright, let's go have a look at this thing.
We're gonna fix the tire.
Man, it's something nice out.
I know. That's what we're gonna take Spencer for a walk.
Hey, Trink. Little trinket.
I'm gonna find the friggin' thing here, you know? There it is. Beep, beep.
Yeah, it's flat.
Yeah, I know.
It's like flat.
I think there's a tube in it. You know, everything, but then I still.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, we'll try and fill it up some air. Uh-oh.
Just.
Did you already try pumping this up?
Yes, yeah, it goes flat. Steve pumped it up. Real damn near killed himself the other day pumping it up with that little pump. And by the time we come back from the walk, it was flat.
Well. Alright, well, we got it off.
Good job. Anyhow, okay, so we'll leave the stroller here. I'll get a new. Okay, sweetie.
Alright. No problem.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Well, I think it's time to do the blinds.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Blind time. Let's figure this out. We got the remote here. I guess that's a remote. Magnetized remote. Cool. Weird. I mean, of course, from Ikea, it's the weirdest thing ever. Like, what the hell? I guess that means down, and that means sunlight. Oh, this weird thing. I don't know what this is for. battery? Oh, that must go inside the... Oh, okay, it's a rechargeable battery. That must go inside the blinds, and then you charge it up with this guy. Oh, it's all making sense now. I think this is Wi-Fi. Okay, I guess we gotta do that first. Charge the battery. Why? Why did USB do that? Oh my goodness, come on. There we go. And we plug in. Cool. So, I'm just going to leave these old ones on for now. I want to make sure that this blind is going to be dark enough. Get out there, you. Ikea stuff never comes with screws, and I don't know why. It drives me crazy. Luckily, I have screws. Okay, we got a screw. We got a drill. Now we screw it in. Right here, I guess. That was super easy. I got done before the battery even got done charging. It's amazing. It's done.
No way.
Yeah.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Good girl. Bread?
Yeah, it's a local bread and some muffins.
Okay, there we go.
That's it. That's all she
That was
wrote.
easy.
Perfect. All right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Once roll of repair.
Yep.
Let's do something. Ring on, I said hello.
I will.
Thank you very much.
No problem. That's the bread. Battery's still charging.
Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I.
So we just finished a little walk. Had some burritos. They were delicious. Now we're gonna wash her feet off. Probably give her a bath and just relax. Oh, we still haven't tested out the curtain yet. The battery's still charging. Hopefully that's charged. And then we can test it out. Find out here in a minute. Good?
Come here. Yeah, good
Go.
girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give your feeties a little bath.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
come here. Come here. Yes, good girl. Oh, hang on. Hang on.
Still charging. This is redonkulous. There you go. Oh. Get there. Give me that donut. Oh. Okay, just so you know, this battery takes forever to charge, like 4 to 5 hours. I'm not sure how long it's been, but it's been a while. The light went out. It's a miracle. Now we get to test the blinds. All right. This is exciting. Oh God. They went all the ways up. Okay. So this button should put it down. Wow. That's cool as hell. Wait, how far do they go?
They're not gonna be blackout though. You have to stop it at a certain point.
Cool.
Yeah, that's not gonna. It's like too far from the.
We'll see. We'll see.
So
That's still
nice.
pretty fucking cool though. And then this button here. Oh, this thing needs to be plugged in. And this is the weight. And then it's just magnetized on there, right? So you can just take it right off.
Remote, eh?
Yeah. Now let's try. No, I guess we're still gonna wait.
It has to connect to.
Okay, maybe we'll just wait a little longer.
I want to turn it off and see what it's like. Turn off the light.
Alright, do it.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty dark.
Yeah, definitely. Oh shit.
And I'm gonna download that.
Yes!
Oh shit, it works. Let's see. Okay, that is pretty loud. Aw. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, we got the old blinds removed. Now I just need to replace these windows at some point. But that's pretty cool.